Last Thursday, I shared some tips on how to lessen the chances of pops or plosives while recording. Today, this will be a bit of an advanced course for those who edit audio, as I'll teach how to resolve this pop problem with Adobe Audition with its built-in function. Anyways, let's get to it. In this tutorial, I'll be using an old recording from one of my voice talents who forgot to put on a pop filter.
Ngayong 2021, nagbabalik sa Lulu ang buy two, get one free.
There it is.
Bumili lang ng dalawang garments.
Did you hear it?
Get one free.
There.
Get one free.
There it is, right before the free, F.
Get one free. 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 Free.
Okay, let's zoom in further. There it is. So that's what it looks like in sound wave form. It has that sudden drop with an arch that just rises. Okay, it's very uncharacteristic of a sound wave. Now, you can delete this and try listening if the deletion is all right to your liking.
Free. Free.
I wasn't too much of a fan of what I did, so I'm just going to extend it further. Now listen to it again.
Free. Free. Free.
It's okay. Next one would be editing it in multi-track session. Now try to isolate the pop, drop the volume or drop the decibels as much as you can, as long as it's still heard.
Free.
And then try to fade in and fade out of the pop, because when you drop the volume, there will...
Free. Free.
Okay, it's going to be more apparent that you drop the volume, and it's just going to sound really bad. So make the adjustments, try to cover it as much as you can.
Free. Free.
Now the third one is my favorite in Adobe Audition. It's the auto healing function by spectral mode. We're going to be scrubbing it. Now, pops are full of LFEs or low frequency emissions. Now, if you look at the bottom spectral mode, you'll see there, I'm going to be scrubbing it in a moment. There you go. It has a lot of LFEs there. So take note of how the pop looks, and as I scrub it, you'll see that the pop will disappear once it heals. Did you see it? It's now gone.
Free. Free.
And it sounds really perfect.
One free.
The pop is gone.
Get one free.
If there's one thing that I miss about Adobe Audition, it's that free function of auto healing by way of scrubbing in that spectral mode. Anywho, another Teach It Thursday done. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and follow for more.